Yo guys, welcome to this channel once more. Today I'm going to show you how to install Office using the Office deployment tool. Remember, when you install using the Office deployment tool, you don't need to have a portable Office software on your drives. So you just have to use some setup online. You use some XML files and the Office deployment tool. So let's go. So what you need to install Office, you need to have the Office deployment tool, which I will show you how to download. Number two, you need to have what we call the XML file for the Office you want to install. And again, I will show you how to go about that to get the XML file. Another basic necessary things you need include the WinRAR, so that you can extract the Office deployment tool. And that's it, fellas, nothing much more. So let's get straight to it. To start this part of it, you need to go to any web browser. I know maybe you are using Chrome or you are using Mozilla. So you search on the search box customization tool. Oh, sorry, never mind the caps. So you search for customization tool. You click on the first link you see, and then you click on this link, Office customization tool, and then this will bring you to this page. Make sure you are on the Office customization tool page. So when you're here, I do believe you have already decided which Office do you want to install, because this tool offers various opportunities for you to install the Office of your liking. So make sure you click on the Office you want to install. For this case, we're going to use 2021. We're going to use 2021, and then again we want to include the Visio. So you click again on 2021. Make sure it is the volume license. Again on the project, we're going to use 2021. Make again sure it is the volume license. Why volume license? Because it will come activated. You don't need to go and activate again. On the additional products, you click none. To make your work easier from this part, you just have to click next, and then on this point you will have to untick the apps that you may not need. In this case, for example, I don't need OneNote, I don't need Teams, I don't need OneDrive, so I will turn off so that it doesn't install. I'll make sure I turn them off from that point. And then you select language. If you are from you select language you understand from that point, and then click next. On this point also, you don't have to do anything, just click next. You just click next. A minute, I look for that part. You have to click next, then we proceed. Scroll down again, then click next. You have to click next. That's it, fellas. We go down again, scroll. Let me show you one thing here. You see it's already coming in with the keys, so you don't have to go and activate. That's the goodness of this part. You click next, and then on general stuff, you just have to click next again. You just have to click next. Then from this part, we are done, guys. You just have to click finish. We are done. So that's it. That's how to get the XML file using the Office customization tool. Then we click on export, because we need to have the file we've created. We need to export it to our desktop. We need to keep it on the desktop. So I mean, it will just download. So, meanwhile, you just have to click accept the terms. Remember, you can type anything here. It doesn't have to be configuration. For this case, I can just use one, then I export. So you can type anything as long as you will remember what you've typed. You just have to keep, because it will give you false negative. I think that is a false negative. Just another tool we need is the Office deployment tool. Office deployment tool is just right there. You just have to click download. And then fellas, you just have to click download. And then from that point, it will take you to this page. Make sure it's from the Microsoft, not any other site. Make sure it's from the Microsoft. You click download. So from that point, it will take time. Over time it takes. So in this case, it will take that time to download, depending on the network speed you have. Okay, and then we come to, it's finished downloading. So let's open. We are done now. Let's open it. You have to click on that folder button. You come directly to the Office deployment. We have to archive, we have to extract. Actually, you have to extract. When you extract, open the folder that you've extracted, copy the setup file, and then you need to create another folder. So you right click, all this stuff, you just do them quickly. You create another folder, then make sure you rename this folder to any name of your liking. Again, I will not force you to rename anything I think of. Then you paste the file we've just copied. Again, come back, copy the XML file, then you paste it on the same place where you've pasted the setup. And we are done, guys. We just have to copy the link above. Before we do anything. You just have to copy the path. So you click right there, and then you copy that link. That link is very important, so that when we will be accessing this part using the CMD, it will be very easy for us. So come there, you just type CMD, and then you run it as admin. Remember, run it as admin. So you just have to wait, and then you type CD, and then you right click. It will automatically paste the link or the path, and then you type directory dir. From this point, it's very simple. You type setup.exe /configure space, and then you type 1.xml. This one, remember, you can type it anything else, and then you click enter. I have typed 1.xml because I saved the file as 1.xml. If you save it as 2.xml, you have to type it as 2.xml. So you see, the process of installing Office has just begun, and you will have to wait a little bit before it loads completely. So when it is ready, you will see the icon in the taskbar. Yeah, you will see the Office in the taskbar, quick taskbar. That means already the Office is installing, but you have to see a minute. So this is how to actually install Office nowadays. You can do this in your home if you have enough data. It's very simple, the safest way to do so. So you see, we've installed Word, Office, Excel, PowerPoint, Publisher, Access, VCO, and Project. that's it, as simple as that. So if you're new to this channel and you like what you see, please leave a like, comment, and if you have question, just write it down there in the description or in the chat box, and I will get back to you ASAP. So make sure you subscribe, like,